Hello students, today we will start our new chapter in Geography, Chapter 10, Class 7th, Life in the Temperate Grasslands. In the previous chapter, you saw how varied the life and people can be, although the name of the region sounds similar as river basins. In this chapter, we shall see another two regions which sound similar as the grasslands in North America and those in South Africa. We have seen life in the equatorial and subtropical regions of Amazon and Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The land was different in terms of the flora and fauna, and more importantly, the people and their habitation. Let us now see the life and geographical peculiarities in the grasslands of the temperate zone with specific reference to the prairies in North America and the velds, also known as velds of South Africa. The prairies location. Prairies are a huge expanse of land which are known for tall grasses and very few trees. They are located in the heart of America with the northern boundaries extending into southern Canada. Climate. The climate of the prairies is affected by its mid-continental location and the protective effect of the Rocky Mountains. They are located far from the oceans and prevented from their moderating effect on the climate. Thus, this area has a wide range of temperatures with hot summers and cold winters. Strong winds blow across the endless plains during both summers and winters. Large part of the prairies get covered with snow during winters. The fast blowing winds named Chinook are known to the affect temperatures in a big way and also melt away snow. Annual average rainfall is moderate and now to be around 50 centimeter in a year. Flora and fauna. Climate is more moist close to the mountains and to the east and the north. They are driest in the central portions. This creates different types of prairies. The wetter regions have taller grasses like the big bluestem and Indian grass. Many species of flowers grow here. The plants can sometimes grow to be 10 feet tall. Some such trees are willows, poplars, and alders. The grasslands have lesser wildlife as compared to the forest. Bison or the American buffalo was found. Prairie dogs, rabbits, coyotes, and gophers are commonly spotted. People and their occupations. The grasslands have now been extensively cultivated. People have settled down here and have made use of the fertile soil. Huge farms have come up. Wheat is the main crop. With modern equipment and technology, this area produces large amount of wheat. Prairies are also called the granary of the world. Corn, barley, peas, and oats are also grown here. The farmers of the prairies have a large piece of land. They have resources to buy high technology farm equipment like tractor, seed drill, combine, harvesting. Their dairy animals and livestock are also managed with care and they use the best veterinary support to maintain the quality of their livestock. Today, very little of the original prairies survive. Only 1 to 2% of the land is left in its natural state. Much of the land has been converted for agricultural use. Urban areas are coming up fast. The genetic and biological diversity of the plants are slowly disappearing. The herds of the thousands of bisons have been wiped out. The velds. Location. The velds are the grasslands found in South Africa. The term velds, sometimes spelled velds in English, is a term used to define certain wide, open rural spaces of southern Africa. It is used in particular to refer to flatter areas or districts covered in grass or low scrub, especially in South Africa, Zimbabwe, Botswana, and Namibia. Climate. The climate remains warm and humid for most part of the year, but the higher regions remain cool. The climate of the velds is highly variable, but its general pattern is mild winter from May to September. The summer from November to March are mild, with considerable variety in daily temperatures and abundant sunshine. Rain mostly occur in the summer months in the form of high energy thunderstorms. Flora and fauna. In the high velds areas are the open woodland, savanna dominated by tall perennial grasses and flowering herbs, which is rarely catch fire during the dry season. The low velds everywhere support a park-like plant cover. In the higher area, the characteristic trees are acai and maruala, the latter bearing an intoxicating plum-like fruit. The open ground is dominated by red grass. These grasslands are home to a great variety of animals like the lions, cheetah, elephant, rhinos, hippopotamus, giraffe, antelopes, buck, and zebra. People and their occupations. Most of the people in this region live in villages. This region is largely unsuitable for cultivation but good for grazing. People keep herd of cattle, sheep rearing is undertaken extensively. Merino wool is the prominent produce here. Dairy farming is the other popular occupation. Cattle are maintained and cheese and milk are produced in huge quantity in these areas. The people grow some maize and vegetables. Beside maize and wheat, tobacco and fruits are also grown. The region is rich in minerals and is the world's largest producer of gold. Johannesburg is the famous for gold mining and Kimberley for diamonds. Thank you, students.